I have to share with you a super nifty mini vacuum cleaner for small spaces. So this is an attachment that can just come right off, but this is going to be so good for those small, easy cleanups, maybe in a drawer, your car, around the cup holders. This does come off super easy, and they do include a bunch of extra filters so you can change those out nice and easily. It does come with the instruction manual and also a little brush to make sure you can get all the little goodies out of there when you're emptying the canister. It does come with a charging dock and the charger, but the charger can also be plugged into any USB port. So maybe if you're keeping it at your desk in the office, keeping your desk nice and clean, you could charge it there. But it is super nice, and to charge it, it just locks into place. It's super small, compact, but this baby has some power. It has a light and high suction. And it's really nice because it is wireless. So like I said, you can get into all those tiny, small little crevices, and it's even super helpful with the additional attachment that you can hook on, getting into those even smaller, hard to reach places.